It's funny. Robotic arms, like they always seem like sci-fi to me, like in those huge factories building cars or, like even doing surgery. But then I hear they're even making lattes now. It's crazy, right? Turns out the reality is so much cooler than anything I ever thought of. We're doing a deep dive today, and it's based on the Robotics Insight podcast, and you're going to be amazed at what these things can actually do.
Oh, absolutely. Robotic arms really are everywhere now. What gets me is how they went from, like this futuristic idea to such a big part of so many industries.
Okay, so hold on before we go too far. What exactly are we talking about here? Like, what is a robotic arm?
Well, at its core, it's a programmable machine. It's meant to kind of, copy how a human arm moves and works.
Yeah.
But it's way more than just copying. Robotic arms they're amazing at things that need like incredible precision or speed,
Yeah.
or things that have to be done over and over and over again. And in places that would be really dangerous for us humans.
Like working with dangerous stuff or like extreme heat or cold.
Exactly. They're like the ultimate multitaskers.
Yeah.
1 minute they're doing delicate surgery, the next they're putting together a whole car.
So, like, they're the backbone of automation then.
Absolutely. They free us humans up to, focus on the more complicated creative stuff.
Wow, I'm already impressed, and we're just getting started. So, the podcast